Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to remove text shadow from desktop icons Windows 11. Let's enter Advanced in the search box. Open View Advanced System Settings. In the displayed window, click on the button Settings located under Performance. After that, check the box Custom. Then, uncheck the box Use drop shadows for icon labels on the desktop. You can apply the changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.